वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। पूर्णाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्यमहेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तः प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। So what is the topic we are studying? Samasa. How many types of samasa, Nikhilesh?
5 types.
What are they?
Abhayabhava, Tatpurusha, Bahuvrihi, Dvandva, Kevalam.
Very good. Okay. What is the name, English name for Abhayabhava samasa?
Adverbial.
Adverbial compound. What is the example?
Upakrishnam Arjunaha Krishna.
All right. Second is what? Samasa? What is the example?
Nilotpala.
Okay. What is the name? Arun Bahuvri Samaja. What is it called in English?
I forgot in English.
Does anybody know what is the English word?
Attribute.
Tatpurusha, what is the word?
Determinate.
Some name you have to remember. Okay. What is the Bahuvri example? Arun?
Example, Bahuvrihi itself is Bahuvrihi.
What is the Vigraha?
Bahavaha Vrihayah Yasya Saha. The one who has lot of rice.
Correct. Okay. Then next one is Supasupa, Supsupa, Kevala. Okay. The which samasa we were studying last? Correct?
Dvitiya Tatpurush.
All right. So can anybody give me example of Dvitiya Tatpurush? Can raise a hand. Rajesh.
Guru Shrita. Guru Shrita.
Guru?
Guru Shrita. Guru Shrita.
Guru Shrita. So we are studying Dvitiya Tatpurush. Guru Shrita. What is the vigraha for Guru Shrita? Malini. Malini.
Guru Shritaha. Guru Shritaha.
Means what?
One resorted to Guru.
What is the rule for Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasa?
Vidya Shrita Tita Gata Atyasta. Vidya Shrita Tita Patita Gata Atyasta Apanna Prapta Panne.
Prapta Panne Dvitiya. What is the meaning?
Vidyantam Subantam. Vidyantam Subantam. Shrita Tita Gati Patita Etaihi Subantaihi Sah Samasyate.
What is it? English? You need not tell all the words. Okay. What is the idea?
A word in the second vibhakti combines with only these words that are listed to form Vidya Tatpurush Samasa.
So Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasa is the samasa where one word will be Dvitiyanta Shabda. Dvitiyanta Shabda. Like Gurum. And the other word would be listed. It should be one of these many which are listed, like Shrita, Atita, then Patita, then Atyasta, Patita, Gata, Atyasta, Prapta, Apanna. So the first word will be this Guru, Dvitiyanta Shabda, plus any one of these 3, 6, 7. Like here we have got Gurum Shrita. So one who is resorted to Guru is Guru Shrita. So Dvitiya Tatpurusha is a samasa where one word would be, the first word would be in the second case like Gurum, and the other word will be one of these 7. It can be Shrita, it can be Atita also. Guruvatitaha means what?
One who excels Guru in some area.
One who excels Guru in something.
One who has gone beyond Guru. That also is there. So one who is so learned that he has gone beyond Guru. That is also Guruvatita. Okay. Patita. So Guru Patita we don't say. So Upapatita, Jalapatita, fallen into water. Gata, Gramam Gata. Atyastha, one who has fallen off. Margatyastaha, fallen off from the path, deviated from the path. Prapta, Dhana Prapta, Moksha Prapta. Prapta. Apanna also has got similar meaning, attain. Dukkhapannaha, Sukhapannaha, one was attained. And plus, I think we had, that also we had studied Gami.
Yes.
Gami. Gami. Means one who is going to go. Or Gami. Same meaning. Grama, Gramam, Gami. Means one who is going to the village will be Grama Gami. Grama Gami. Alright. Or Grama Gami also you can say. Alright. So these are the examples for Dvitiya Tatpurusha, where the first word will be in the second case and the second word would be one of these 7 or one of these 9. And it is specified here, therefore, Annam Bhuktavan. What is the meaning Annam Bhuktavan? Does anybody know what is the meaning?
He ate food.
Huh?
He ate food or rice.
Okay. So Annam, which case? Annam is which case?
Second.
Second. Good. Bhuktavan? Okay, Bhuktavan is the first case. Yeah, Bhuktavan. Annam Bhuktavan. So here Dvitiya Vibhakti is there. But it will not be combined with this. Why? Because it is not listed. Like in the share market some listed shares should be there. So similarly it should be listed. This is unlisted word. Therefore this will not form Dvitiya Tatpurusha. Is it clear? So Annam Bhuktavan you cannot make samasa. What could have been samasa? Samasa form would have been what? Can anybody say? If that restriction was not there, then Annam Bhuktavan would have, we can combine Dvitiya. What would have been the samasa form? Rajesh?
Anna Bhuktavan.
Anna Bhuktavan. But that will not happen. So Annam Bhuktavan, samasa will not happen because the word Bhuktavan is not one of this. Is it clear? Okay. Now we go to the Tritiya Tatpurusha samasa.
Swamiji, what's the example for bubukshu?
Achha, some extra words also there. So after this, some more words are added. Okay. That also listed only, but list is increased. Okay, let me clarify this. This when you were given Dvitiya Gamyadinam Upasankhyanam Vartikakarage, then some commentator says this further some few more words we can add based on the usage, and that is bubukshu. Bubukshu also can be added. Bubukshu means bhoktumichu, desirous of eating. So we can say madhura bubukshu, madhuram bubukshu. So here also, even though it is not in the first list, like in admission in college it happens. First list your name is not there. Second list also not there. But third list is there. Then still you are admitted. So similarly here, the first list is not there. Second list also it is not there. So third list is there. So here this also is allowed. This bubukshu word is allowed. So it will be madhura bubukshu. Like that, tattva bubutsu also is there. So madhura bubukshu means what? Desirous of eating sweet. Or madhurannam or madhura itself is there. Tattva bubutsu. So these two words we have to be very careful because sometimes you may interchange. Bubutsu means bodhumichu, desirous of knowing. And bubukshu means desirous of eating. So you should not say, Swamiji, I am a great bubukshu. You please keep me in ashram. Why? I am a great bubukshu. What he wants to say, I am a great desirous of knowledge. Bodhumichu. But by mistake what say? Bubukshu. So bubukshu is a samsari dharma. Bubutsu is a sadhaka. Okay? So who you are? Sai Krishna.
Bubutsu. Bubutsu.
Okay, bubutsu. So Tattvam bubutsu means what? What is the meaning? Yeah, okay.
One who is desirous of knowing tattva.
Tattva means what?
Atma tattva.
Truth. So tattva bubutsu means desirous of knowing the truth. So what will be the samasa? Samasa will be tattva bubutsu. Alright. So like that, some of the words can be included. Now we enter into the third, the Tritiya Tatpurusha. Tritiya, I think is Tritiya Tatpurusha. There are some sutras in Paniniya Vyakaranam which are prescribing the Tritiya Tatpurusha. In which situation this Tritiya Tatpurusha will happen. And there is one sutra which says, I will write the sutra itself so it will be useful. Purva I am writing so that you will understand. So breaking Sadrisha Sama Unarthaka. Really we should not break. When we are chanting the sutra we should not break. Just for understanding I am breaking. Unarthaka Kalaha Nipuna Mishra Shlakshnaihi. Okay. Tritiya. This is not part of the samasa. Okay. This we are adding for our understanding. Vritti. This sutra is 213 to 131. Okay. So what does this sutra says? Tritiyanta Shabda. The word ending in Tritiya Vibhakti will form a compound with these following words. The word ending in the third case, like Masena, Tritiya Vibhakti Shabda, will form a samasa, will form a compound with one of these words. Purva. Purva means earlier, senior. Sadrisha, similar. Sama, also similar. Unarthaka, less. Any word having the meaning of being less, like say less by 5 grams. That is called una. Una means less. Kalaha, fight. Nipuna, expert. Mishra, mixed. Shlashna, Shlakshna means pure, refined, clean, gentle, soft. These are the meaning of Shlashna. Shlakshna. So, with this Tritiya Shabda will form a compound Samasyate. Kehi Samasyate? Etehi Shabdehi. Therefore, Tritiya बहुवचन मिल जाए. तृतीयांत शब्दः पूर्व सदृश समूनार्थक कलह निपुण मिश्र श्लक्ष्णैः समस्यते. That is the sutra. So the meaning is that a word which is in the third case will form a compound with any one of these words. So we will get the example so it will be more clear. Alright. Let us start with Purva. One Tritiyanta Shabda is Masena, by a month. Purvaha. Masena Purva means what? Purva means elder, senior. Masena, by a month. So we want to convey this idea that Devadatta is elder, senior by 1 month. Means he is Purva. He is before, he is born before. So Masena Purvaha. Masena means, Masa means month. Masena means by a month. By a month, Purvaha, elder, earlier. So Masena Purvaha. So Masena is a Trityanta Shabda. Purva is one of the listed words. Therefore, this Masena Purvaha will make a samasa. And what will be the samasa? Masa Purvaha. Masa Purva means what? Elder by 1 month. In a sentence, how will we use? Yajnadattaha Devadatta Masa Purvaha. Devadatta Yajnadatta Masa Purvaha. Devadatta is elder to Yajnadatta by a month. Masa Purvaha. Varsha Purvaha. Anything you can say. Dina Purvaha. Ghanta Purvaha. Anything. Nimisha Purvaha. 1 minute early. Like twins they are born, one will be 1 minute early. So Nimisha Purvaha or Nimesha Purvaha. So I hope this Masena Purvaha, this is samasa is Tritiya Tatpurusha, because the first word is Tritiyanta, other word is this one of the listed words Purva. Can you form this Tritiya Tatpurusha using Purva, anybody? Yes. Vinay. You raise your hand or you by mistake you did?
Srishtena Purvaha.
Mrityu Purva. Mrityu Purva. Mrityuna Purva.
Did you get?
Jnanena Purvaha, Jnana Purvaha.
Jnana Purva. It is a Kalavachi. Tritiya. Jnanena Purva, you don't become earlier by knowledge.
Senior.
Senior, but it is in terms of Kala Purva.
Vidyaya Purva.
The same thing, Jnanena you did Vidya, that's all.
Bhojanena Purvaha?
I missed Varshe. Dvitiya Varshena Purvaha Aham.
Anybody?
Surya Udyodaya Purva.
Samvatsara Purva.
Samvatsara. That's correct. Samvatsara Purva. Samvatsarena will become what? Samvatsara Purva. Okay, now can anybody tell me what is the meaning of Samvatsara Purva?
Elder by 1 year.
Elder by 1 year.
Correct. Elder by 1 year. Elder by a year.
How do we say senior by qualification?
No. Purva is here in the sense of senior. What I use the word, it's elder. In fact, I use senior just because we are used to that. But main meaning is Purva is elder. Okay. You can say so many. Kshana Purvaha. Kshana Purvam Agamanam Mama. My arrival was 1 minute before. It was earlier by 1 minute. So you can say by any Kshana, Nimesha, Ganta, Dina, Masa, Saptaha. Saptaha Purva is what?
1 week earlier. 1 week earlier.
Earlier by a week.
Earlier.
Okay? Saptaha Purva. Earlier by a week. Is it clear? Purva is clear? Can you give one example, Keiko? You can give from what I have said also. You don't have to think outside that.
षण्मास पूर्वः षण्मास
Kshanmatra purva also. Kshanmatrena purva. She added one word, matra. Kshanmatra purva also we can.
Kalpa purva.
Kalpa purva also. So Kshanamatra purva, kalpa purva, these are the examples of Tritiya Tatpurusha using the word purva. Next one is very easy.
Swamiji, they are saying षण्मास means 6 months.
Huh?
षण्मास 6
Shan Masa. Oh, okay. That also is okay. Shan Masa Purva. 6 months earlier. I also heard Shan Matra. Okay. So she said this one. Shan Masena Masehi we have to say. So it can be singular, plural also. Any. Shan Masehi Purva. And it need not be Purvaha only. Purva also can be there. This girl is Shanmasa Purva. Earlier by 6 months. Shanmasehi Purvaha, Purvam, Purva. All possible. Purvaha. All possible. See, why I am saying it? Because generally our mind is like this. Whatever example is given now, we think only that. So we never think that Purva also is possible. Purva also is possible. So that's why I am clarifying. Okay. Next one. Sadrisha. Let me give the vigraha first. Jnanena sadrisham. Jnanena, tritiya vibhakti anta shabda. Sadrisham, similar, comparable. So what will be the vigraha? Sorry, samasa, samasta padam. Jnana sadrisham, similar to knowledge. Okay. Can anybody answer me how Jnanena sadrisham becomes Jnana sadrisham? Or what is the rule applied here?
Madhyama lopa.
The vibhakti drops.
Vibhakti
Drops in samasa
of what? Vibhakti drop of what?
of the tritiya word.
Only Tritiya?
No, both. No, and then combined word has the vibhakti at the end.
Okay, correct. Little bit more it's better. Simple rule is when two words are combined, they lose their case endings. Both the words. In fact, Sadrisha also is lost. Afterwards only the has come. It is not that Jnanena Sadrisha only it becomes. Pratipadika is Jnana Sadrisha only. Then afterwards has come. We are just what is called skipping one step and putting the final form. Okay, so the rule is when two words are combined to form a samasa, both of them lose their case endings. When this rule is not applied, what type of samasa is formed? Anybody? We are going to fundamentals. We have studied all this.
Kevala samasa.
Aluk samasa.
Aluk samasa. Aluk samasa. Look, you have studied the word look. You have studied? Look is in lopa. Look means elision, not the look, not English look. It's a look means elision. Lopaha is also called look. Alright. Of course, some technical difference is there. The lopa means elision. Look means elision. So, aluk means where the elision, removal, dropping of the vibhakti is not happening. That is called alut samasa. That's by the way. Okay. Acha, what is the meaning of dana sadrisham, Nikhilesh? Can you use this sentence, this dana sadrisham in a sentence?
Jnana sadrusham kopi dhanam nasti.
Kinchidapi. Because dana sadrisham is there, no? Kinchidapi. Kimapi dhanam. Better word is kimapi. Let me write. Please write down. Dana sadrisham kimapi dhanam nasti. Marini, what is the meaning of this?
It is similar to knowledge. What other wealth can be is not there?
A little bit.
There is no wealth similar to jnana.
Correct. Any wealth is not similar to dana. But to be a simpler word, no wealth is there similar to knowledge. Now, can you use the word sadrisha in another example?
Gagana sadrisha?
What is the vigraha for that?
Gaganena sadrisha?
Correct. Gaganena sadrisha. Okay. Gaganena sadrisham. What is the meaning? Can anybody tell?
Similar to space. Gagana space, similar to space.
So what will be the samasa vigraha? Samasa?
Gagana sadrisham.
The word sadrisham should be in which case to make samasa with tritiyanta shabda? Is question clear? The word sadrisha should be in which case to form a samasa with tritiyanta shabda? Whoever knows can raise hand. Is question clear?
It shouldn't be in
Huh?
it shouldn't be any case.
It can be?
It should not be any case. The pratipadika.
No, to form samasa, because we are forming samasa, gaganena sadrisham. The tritiyanta shabda has formed samasa sadrisham. Which vibhakti? Sadrisham is which vibhakti?
Sadrisham is pratama.
Pratama, So it is, you cannot say in any vibhakti. So for sadrisha to form a samasa with gagana or any word in tritiya should be in which case?
Prathama.
In the prakriya, it should be prathama.
Okay.
Always.
In any case, it need not be. The prakriya dashayam we make it sadrisham. But the word can be in any case. Still you can make samasa. Gaganena sadrishena Ramena or Ramayuddhena Sarve janaha ashcharyachakitaha bhavanti. So all people are wonderstruck by the war like space, used like space. So Gagana sadrisham Vishnoho swarupam. So Gagana sadrisham Vishnoho swarupam bhaktaha pashyanti. So it did not be first case, any case. But while forming the samasa, generally we make first case. Is it clear? Technically it can be in any case. But when we are giving samasa vigraha, generally we give in prathama. but it need not be, it can be in any case. Alright. That's by the way, because sometimes what happens, we get stuck. It can be with any sadrisha. Okay, next one. Next one is very similar. Sama. Sama also has got meaning similar. Matra, sadrishi. What would be the samasa?
Matra Sadrishi.
Matra sadrishi. Matra sadrishi, matru sadrishi. What is the meaning? Mother. Okay. So matra, tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam, sadrishi, sadrish. So sadrish also can be used, sadrishi, sadrisham, any can be used. Matra sadrishi, matru sadrishi.
Sama.
Huh?
Sama
Huh?
should be
We're doing sama.
We have to use
Oh, sorry. Matra sama. Good, you remember. Correct. Both are same meaning, therefore. Matru sama. Matru sama. Matru sama. Sama. But we can say matru samaha also. Can we say or not? Matru samaha. Can we use the word or not? Matra matru samaha. Okay. Give me one example. Matru samaha, one example in sentence.
Bhagini matru samaha asti.
No. Little bit grammar mistake.
Same, Swamiji, Bhagini, Matru, Sama, because of the... because the
Bhagini,
change of
Matru,
language.
Sama,
Bhavati.
Bhagini, okay, sentence. What is the meaning of this? Bhagini Matru Sama?
Sister is similar to mother.
Okay. Alright. Can somebody use another word? Matru Sama?
Devi Matra Samasti.
Huh?
Devi Jagadamba Matra Samasti.
Okay. Jagadamba Matru Sama. Bhashyakara use something like this. Does anybody remember?
Shruti Matra. Adruvat Shruti. Shruti Matra. Madhvat Shruti.
No. Bhashyakara has not used perhaps Sama, perhaps. I think he has got Vat. But Sama also one place. But if you want to use in the context of Shruti, how will we make a sentence?
Shrutihi Matru Sama Bhavati.
Shrutihi Matru Sama Bhavati. Alright. Now, if you want to use the word Matru Samaha, how will you use?
Matru Samaha Guruhu.
Guru is Matru Sama. Guru is considered Guruhu Matru Samaha Bhavati. So we did not think that only female gender alone should be. It can be male also. So Matru Samaha. That is why we have a shloka. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva. So if Guru doesn't understand well, he said, why are you calling me Mata? Am I your mother or what? So not that. He doesn't deserve to be a Guru if he does like this. But any gender, we can say Matru Samaha. Alright. In fact, we can say Nadi Matru Samaha. Matru Sama. In fact, the Nadi we use the Matru Sama. Alright. Can we use the word Sadrisha and Sama in one sentence? your brain tickling.
Matru Sadrusham.
Huh?
Matru Sadrusham. Pitru Samam Gurum Aham Namami.
Good, that's right. Matru Sadrisham Guru Samam Gurum Namami. You understood? All of you understood? I salute to the one who is similar to mother and Guru. In any other, in my mind some different meaning was there, but this is also good. Anybody else? Where you use both the words, Sadrisha and Sama. Okay, let me just don't keep suspense. Sadrisha Shabdaha Sama Sadrisha Asti. Okay. That is mischievous, you said. Sadrisha Shabdaha Sama Sadrishaha Asti. Who will tell the meaning of this word?
Sadrisha Shabda is similar to the word, to Sama Shabda.
Yes. Sadrisha Shabda is similar to the word Sama. Sadrisha Shabda, what is the Vigraha?
Sadrushaha iti Shabda.
Sadrishaha iti Shabda, Sadrisha Shabda. Which Samasa it is?
Tatpurusha? No. It's not this, but.
Karmadara Smasa. We have studied Ayodhya, iti Nagari, etc. We have studied. This is like that. Alright. So we'll please write one example of Purva, Sadrisha and Sama. One, that's all. If possible. If you don't write, also okay.